how to add your Instagram feed to a Shopify store. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. Let's get started. So what you want to do is go to the apps section right there, and you want to visit the Shopify App Store. And once you're here, you want to click on search and search for Insta feed right there. Once you're here, a couple different apps will show up, but this is the one we want by Mint Studio. And if you click on it, you can add the app. So click on that, and it has a really good rating as well, a 4.8 star out of 5. So that's really good. And then just click on install app. And this will now show up. So what you want to do first is connect an Instagram account. So click on this tab right there, and that will link your Instagram account. Since I'm already logged into my Instagram account, I can immediately just click on authorize. If you are not logged into your Instagram account yet, you can just log in right now and then click on authorize. So just like this, we have now connected my Instagram feed to this to this, and we have now added my Instagram feed. And this is just an account of mine, which does not make any sense for this store, but just for the sake of this tutorial. So then you can change the post spacing, for example, on post click, open pop-up / show product, or open Instagram or do nothing. And you can kind of like customize all this, number of rows, number of columns. And then once you've done all that, you can just click on save, and we have to wait a second, and you can see that we have kind of changed it. And from there on, you want to go to your store and customize your store. And once you're in the editor, you want to click on add section, scroll a bit down till you see Instagram feed, and click on Insta feed app. Click select. As you can see, we have now added the InstaFeed app, and they are right here. And from then on out, you can also change the feed width and stuff like that. So you can make it a lot smaller, heading size. It was kind of big, so we can make it something like this. Seems nice. Once you've done all that, you can just click on save and change is saved. And that is basically it. We have now added the Instagram feed to our Shopify store. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.